IG-100 uses nitrogen for a clean, safe and 100% ecological extinguishment. This gas is widely used in a variety of extinguishing systems due to its excellent pressurization conditions. In this case, it complies with equal smothering efficiency by reducing the oxygen concentration to extinguish the fire while leaving a percentage of oxygen suitable for occupied areas. Due to this feature, hazards can be protected where there is the possibility that people will be in the enclosure at the time of the fire, ensuring their safe evacuation both in terms of the level of oxygen in the room and the absence of chemicals in the discharge. In addition, its physical and dispersion properties help maintain visibility during the evacuation.
It is highly recommended for Class A, B and C hazards.
The system operates by total flooding of the room, ensuring discharge in less than 1 minute with the safety conditions mentioned above. Giselle has two variants depending on the storage pressure, IG-100 at 200 bar and IG-100 at 300 bar. This makes it possible to adapt the quantity of extinguishing agent required to the storage space available for the cylinders. The system is optimized for the worst-case conditions. All components are certified to ensure the strictest performance. These are necessary for the agent's storage, detection, release and discharge at the right moment. About IG-100 extinguishing agent. Nitrogen gas is clean, generates no combustion products, is non-toxic, and does not cause irritation to the skin and eyes. It is harmless to people at design concentrations and is therefore ideal for extinguishing fires in occupied spaces. In addition, when discharge occurs, visibility is high, so that evacuation is not impaired. Pure nitrogen is obtained by distillation of air, so it is a completely environmentally friendly gas with zero ozone depletion, ODP, and zero global warming potential, GWP. Since it is not a mixture of gases, it is easy to refill and can be acquired at any geographic location. Nitrogen is non-corrosive and can be used at normal temperatures with materials typically used in industry and construction. It is electrically non-conductive and is therefore highly recommended for protecting electrical and electronic materials. Colorless, odorless, tasteless, electrically non-conductive and chemically neutral gas. Inert gas IG-100 is a clean agent fire extinguishing system using an inert gas, IG-100, consisting of 100% nitrogen and is used in total flooding systems. Inert gas has become widely accepted as the best performing, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly inert gas fire extinguishing agent, offering extended hold times and great flexibility in design. The patented pressure-regulating discharge valve used in the inert gas system utilizes a superior valve designed to automatically regulate the pressure of the extinguishant at discharge, providing an ideal discharge pressure and maintaining a constant flow rate throughout the discharge.
Features and benefits suitable for occupied areas: electrically non-conductive, chemically inert, colorless, odorless and flavorless, no residue to clean up after the discharge, zero ozone depletion potential, ODP, no greenhouse effect, no global warming impact, no decomposition products, no fog and no loss of post-discharge visibility, non-corrosive, toxic, stored as a gas, suitable for occupied areas, excellent post-discharge visibility, very low refill cost. Easy to obtain anywhere in the world, only agent approved for automatic use in manned environments. In the event of discharge, the agent is cost-effective to replace, no evacuation issues, cylinders can be remote from the risk, up to 100 meters, directional valve solutions to enable multi-risks to be protected economically using single-cylinder bank, constant flow solution available, therefore reducing the size of venting requirement, large safety margin, future-proof, no risk of being banned, economical installation costs, zero ozone depletion potential, ODP. We simply borrow nitrogen and argon from nature. When released, they automatically return to their natural place in the environment. Zero global warming potential, GWP. Nitrogen and argon have no atmospheric lifetime and zero GWP, so they pose no risk to the environment. Weight similar to air. The weight of inert gas agents corresponds closely to that of normal air and will evacuate a protected area slower than halocarbon agents after a discharge. No combustion by products. Inert gas